Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use code interpreter for ChatGPT. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So what basically is a code interpreter is it analyzes Python code for you, and it also gives you datasets for your files and works with your file uploads. So to be able to enable this, you need to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription. So you make sure you have to pay for it, and you have to use the GPT-4. So once you're done with that, you have to go over in the lower left corner, go to settings and beta, and all you have to do is go over to beta features and enable code interpreter. So for example, you want to analyze the Python code. So for example, I have a uh, Python code here. So as you can see, it analyzes the code and interprets it for you. So as you can see, you can't find this on the normal ChatGPT subscription. So as you can see, it also gives you examples here for you to better understand it. Okay, so working with the file uploads. So make sure you have to go over on the new chat, and you have to make sure that the code interpreter is checked right here and like that. And once you are over here, you just have to go ahead and put the plus sign here, upload the file, or you can also drag and drop. Let's see. So let's go over and ask ChatGPT to analyze the code or analyze data. So like that. So you just have to wait for the upload and let's go. So all you have to do is specify what particular section of the file or the specific statistics of the file. So for example, like that. So as you can see, it's now working. ChatGPT is now working for it. So as you can see, it analyzes our file here. And also, if you want to go over and convert a resolution of a picture, you can also do that. So, or also the file extension. So all you have to do is instruct ChatGPT. So, for example, uh, this picture into, for example, for ATP. Like that, and let's go ahead and so here it's working. So as you can see, you can also see the Python code here on the process on getting it. So as you can see, it's now got over and resized, and there guys. So okay guys, that is how you can use the code interpreter for ChatGPT. Thank you for watching and goodbye.